Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to create a supermarket billing system in Python. So let's start the tutorial. The command is pysupermarket.py. Enter the product name apple, price is 50, quantity I am taking 2, orange, next product. If you want to enter zeros, it will print the bill, but I want to purchase more products. 5 rupees each orange, quantity 10 I am taking. TV, another product I am purchasing, product 5 rupees, the quantity is 25. When I click enter, now I want to print 0, 0, 0, so it will print the bill. See here, we got the bill here.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder, I will create one new Python file called supermarket.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to create a supermarket billing system in Python. So first, when we want to create the bill, we require the product name, product price and quantity. After that, I want to print the total, the grand total. So I am adding while loop because I want to purchase more than one loop, so I am putting everything in the while loop. First I am declaring one product name, input, enter the product name, then I require the product price also, input, enter the product price. Now the third one, I require the product quantity. So product quantity is equals to, instead of writing the same thing, let's copy this one and paste here. Just I am changing to the product quantity. After that, I want to calculate the price and quantity to get the total. So total is equals to product price into product quantity. Now the product price and product quantity, here the variables are the string type. So we need to typecast this one into integer type. Int product type. Then I want to print, if a user wants to print bill, enter zeros to print bill, So here the condition is if product name and product price and product quantity is equals to 0, then I want to break this loop, terminate. Now here the condition is if the user enters zeros, it will print the bill, but if the user wants to purchase more products, then I want to put those all products in a particular list. So here I am defining one variable, product name, colon, product price, colon, product quantity, and the last one is the total. Let's add all the product details in this list variables, elements. product name dot append method. In this append method I am adding the product name. product name, product price dot append method, product price, product quantity dot append product quantity. Now the last one is the total dot append total. This variable I am adding here. After that, I want to print the grand total of the purchased product. So for x in total, this variable I am adding here because this total contains all the product of the prices. Grand total is a variable. Grand total is equals to sum of total. That's it. Now print asterisk up to 30. So it will print the line. Copy this one, paste here. Below I want to add supermarket billing system. Now print product name, this is the heading, price, quantity, and the total. Now the total, I want to print all the purchased products. So here I am adding the output. Output is a variable. At string format. Here it's very careful. I am adding this product name which contains all the products, user purchased products. Product name is a list of elements, so I want to get all the list of items for x in range. In the range I am adding the length of the purchased products. You can give any length of the variable, product name, price or quantity or total, but here I am adding product name. Now here in the square brackets I am adding x. Now give some space, product price x, again space, product quantity x. Now the last one is the total of x. Then I want to separate with the cap and print every product in a new line on the bill. So I am defining one variable. In this variable, here I am defining one x dot split in a new tab, split the new tab for x in output. What is this output? It contains all the product, purchased product. Then print k separated in a new line. Here one most important, we need to print the star because it will print all the list of elements, the purchased products. Now instead of writing the same thing, the final part, the grand total grand total is, the grand total we are getting from this grand total variable. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. The command is to check the final output of our application. How to create a supermarket billing system. File, supermarket, my file name .py. When I click enter, notice it's prompting enter the product name. I am entering the apple, the price is 20, the quantity I am adding 5. If you enter zeros, it will print the bill, but I want to purchase more products, so here I am adding orange. Orange price is 10, I am taking the quantity 3. Kiwi, the next item I am purchasing kiwi, 10, each quantity I am taking 5. Now let's print the bill 0, 0, 0. Oops, something went wrong. Here the print is not properly printing here. See here, we don't require this commas here. Into 30 into 30. Now what is the next problem we are getting? It's not printing in a new line. I forgot to add backward slash. Now let's save this file. Let's check the final output of our application. Clear this one. Now the command is to print the supermarket billing system, the purchased products, py supermarket.py. When I click enter, notice enter the product name, which is apple, price is 50, the quantity I am taking 5. If you enter zeros, it will print the bill, but I want to purchase more items, more products. Orange, price is 10 rupees, quantity 5. Kiwi, 10, I am purchasing quantity 2 quantities, I am taking kiwi. Now I want to print the bill, and notice here we got the bill here, supermarket billing system. Here we got this billing. I want to remove this square brackets also. To remove the square brackets, just add here zeros. Now let's check the new output again. Clear. The command is py supermarket.py. Enter the product name apple, price is 50, quantity I am taking 2. Orange, next product. If you want to enter zeros, it will print the bill, but I want to purchase more products. 5 rupees each orange, quantity 10 I am taking. Kiwi, another product I am purchasing, product 5 rupees, the quantity is 25. When I click enter, now I want to print 0, 0, 0, so it will print the bill. See here, we got the bill here. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a simple supermarket billing system in Python. These are the products I have purchased, price, quantity. This is the total of every product, and the grand total I got here 275 of this grand total. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.